Hi there, everyone. Roberto here with Top One Marketing with another tutorial video. Today, we're going to be talking about subdomains in the Builderall Cheetah website builder. And so, without further ado, let's get right into this. And so, first thing that I want to do here is I want to show you what a subdomain is. If you don't know what a subdomain is um in essence sort of like another domain attached to your main domain, or another website that is attached to your main website or your main domain. So my main domain, my main website is top1marketing.net. Now um I want to create another site per se that has to do with graphic design, but it is a part of Top One Marketing. And so, but if I create a page, then it would be top1marketing.net/graphic design. That would be the extent of what I would be able to do with Builderall. But if I want to have different pages under graphic design, like graphic design flyers, graphic design YouTube thumbnails, graphic design this, graphic design that, I would have to create a subdomain. And so I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in your Cheetah builder. So we're going to go right here. Here is a template that I uploaded, the coaching template. We're going to go ahead and publish this just to bring it up top over here. All right. And we're going to connect a domain. So right here, we're going to put the subdomain is going to be coaching.top1marketing.net. Okay, and we're going to click save, and we're going to click confirm. And so here it is. This took about 2.5 minutes to work. Okay, but the domain is now connected. So what we're going to do next is we are going to just make sure that the site is published. I know I published it already. And then we are going to go to these three dots right here, and then we're going to go to the website. And so as you can see right here, the subdomain has been created, coaching.top1marketing.net. Now, I want you to understand that the SSL certificate that Builderall provides is going to take a little while to populate. And so you might run into, when you click on the visit the website in this page right here, depending on your system and your antiviruses, you might get an alert or a warning saying that just the site is not safe or whatever. It's because the SSL certificate is not activated yet. Just wait a little while and Builderall will automatically activate it. There's nothing that you have to do. All right. Now, one thing that I do want to make clear is that I did the most beautiful thing, which is I bought this domain, top1marketing.net, through Builderall. And what happens when you buy the domain through Builderall, there are some perks. There are some things that happen automatically, like the DNS propagation and the SSL certificate propagation and all that, happens automatically. Now, if you didn't buy the domain through Builderall and you have to go to your registrar to change your DNS servers, then click on the card up top over here or look through my channel and you will get a tutorial video on how to change your DNS to the Builderall DNS. And so thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.